do than fucking close the road, put out a load of cones, and then fucking pull them all back again.
Yeah, but they've got to do roadworks, man.
Fucking roadworks. It wouldn't be so bad if they was doing roadworks. But
Well,
they don't.
There must be somebody there doing something.
Oh, fuck yeah. They're sitting there in a fucking van reading a paper.
Don't get road rage, do you, Dean?
Oh, this is just great, this is, isn't it? Diverted traffic. Fucking wanking road workers, man. One of these fucking days, I'm going to stop the wagon, I'm going to get out, and I'm going to have a fucking straightener with them. I do my head riding.
Nah.
Fucking joke, alright. Come on, fuck me. There's no need for all the roadworks I keep doing, is there?
Been
Trying
doing
to
them
get
all
the
year.
road. They're trying to get the roads done for the fucking Olympics in 2012. Now what's going on here, man? Fuck me, I don't think I can get up there then. I'm gonna blind bastards with my main beam, I am. Fucking have some of that, you fucking pricks. Look at them! Work! Fucking work! You call road workers, not road resters! Fucking hell! I'm doing absolutely fuck all again. Man, I've got to change jobs.
Wind your window
No
down,
good,
Dean.
man.
Dean, wind
No
your window
good.
down. Wind your window down and fucking tell them, man. That's the only way they're gonna know. Get them told.
Fucking. Does it make much fucking difference if I do? I have done in the past. Give me the fucking finger.
Fuck it up.
Blast your horn at him, man. I want to hear your horn into you to do it.
Fucking hear me on. You fucking heard me on. Isn't it? It sounds like fucking Herbie, man.
Do that again.
Hang on, let this fucking... You ready? Are you listening? Can you hear it now? Can you hear it? Listen to that. That ain't a fucking horn.
That sounds like a fucking pissy little thing, that, man.
It sounds like a mini. On a big beefy wagon. You know what I mean?
Did you blip it at the road workers?
Yeah, man. Well, I blasted it as I was passing the fucking bell end.
Nah.
I've done it before, mate. Gets me nowhere. Absolutely fucking nowhere.
User was moved out of your channel. User was moved out of your channel. User was moved out of your
No
channel.
fucking
User
way.
left
That's
your
where
channel.
it gets me.
They're only warring it up, Dean.
They ain't fucking warring it up again.